As recommended, recognized group members or interested users should click on the Become Member button if they want to navigate to your page more seamlessly, for example, through their dashboard. Currently, all group pages are set to private, which means anyone not already added to the group will need to request membership. Just as a heads up, registered admins will receive email alerts when there are new membership requests submitted to the group. You'll find this in your other inbox in your email account. Take note also of the name associated with the email or where it's from. It's my group's name. This is an example of the white label function that we went over earlier in our training. Within the platform, you will also be alerted that there are items awaiting approval. For example, a number will appear on the Manage button of your group, which will alert you that there are notifications that need to be addressed. Once you click into the Manage button, the number will be associated with a specific function that is awaiting approval, as you see on the screen. Now, let's follow the steps as mentioned in the previous tutorials to get to our group and add users. Again, you can go through My Activities, click on Groups, and find your groups listed below. I have to search and filter because I'm a part of so many groups. What can I say? I'm mixy. We'll focus on how to add users first. When on your group page, click on the Manage button. Using the tool panel found on the left, click on User and click Add User. Take note of where it states want to add an existing user. Click on the hyperlinked Add User from Network. Always add users from the network. If you'd like to know how to add users in bulk, send me an email. In the search box, begin typing in the user's name, and you can see that it will pre-populate their name and their associating X number. Remember, X numbers are private and confidential information, so please use their information responsibly. On this same page, you can also change the of the user. You can also update and change users. Again, going back to the left tool panel, click on User and then Manage User. Here, you'll find all the current users and or members with their identifying roles. There's a lot of functions on this screen. You can change the frequency of emails that users receive as well. Scrolling to the right and clicking the Action button will provide even more functions, such as changing their role, removing them, looking up their profile details, and more. Something to note for all backend screens, you can always change the layout. You see how there's so many of these columns? Well, we can change them out, reorder them, and or remove them from visibility. Now, doing this only changes it for your specific screen. This is not a permanent fixture. What do I mean by that? It's specific to how you configure it to your account. I personally am not a fan of having to scroll left to right, so I'm going to reconfigure it to only include the information I want to see and reorder it in a way that makes the most sense for me. Again, this feature is on most back-end pages, so keep an eye out for it. It makes this work much easier. And voila, there you go. We've added users, we've changed them, we've changed their roles, we've even learned how to configure the page. Now, take a moment, try it out with your own group, and let's get on to the next one.